Sir, it has come to our notice that there was a complaint filed by an organization in connection with the misappropriation of the compensation meant for the landowners with the Deputy Commissioner. May I know the status of this complaint, whether it has been resolved or not?
Sir, I think as I've already replied earlier, in fact, these issues was not officially lodged to us because the compensation was already directly transferred to the account of each beneficiaries, the entitled beneficiaries. But in the...
So may I repeat my question? So the question here is, a particular organization filed a complaint with the Deputy Commissioner in connection with the misappropriation of the compensation amount which is meant for the landowners. So may I know what is the status of that complaint?
Sir, in fact, there is no misappropriation at all, or from any level. There is no misappropriation at all. Maybe the complaint reached to the office of both the Deputy Commissioners, but as I've said, there is no misappropriation at all, and that's what I replied everything. Even here, the detail of amount that we released to the respective beneficiaries is already indicated. Everything is over there.
So, why I'm asking this question? Because as we know, the land holding system here in our Khasi Jingpyntrei region, we have three types of land holding system. There is a private land, there is a community land, and there is a right land, sir. So, sir, in this situation, we are made to believe that there are some people who claim to be the representative of the right or the clan, and somehow they manage to get this compensation amount which is meant for the people. So may I know whether it has come to the notice of the government, whether it is a fact that there are two individuals who are demanding percentage cut from villagers regarding the compensation of the Shillong Western Byepass. And this is happening, sir. So may I know whether it has come to the notice of the government, whether that issue has been resolved or not?
Sir, again, even me, I've seen it in the newspaper, in the social media, that some aggrieved landowners, after receiving the compensated amount, then I saw they've said that it was deducted 10% or 15% or 20%. But till today, there is no such formal complaint to the respective Deputy Commissioner or District Collector of each district. This was only, as I said, we seen it outside the official table where the claim and counterclaim happened. So I was trying to find out also, sir, what happened to this. But ultimately it seems like, suppose if I'm the beneficiary, I'm the landowner, being a villager, maybe I don't know how to prepare the paperwork, this, that. It seems they unofficially maybe entrusted to somebody else. So that again, it is not official. That, as I've said to you, maybe the understanding is only among themselves. So that happens, huh? I've seen, but again, officially it has not come to the table or to the notice of the district collector. And the issue which reached to the table of the district collector is only counterclaim of ownership. Yes, few percentage, as I've already said, claim and counterclaim by individual. Mr. A, when the amount was already paid to Mr. A, then Mr. B came in. Then like, that is about the individual landowners. Then again, we go to the clan, because the clan land also is there. Again, the clan, the uncle, so-called uncle or the kini, we released the amount. Again, the other kini, the other uncle came in. And again, lodge a counter complaint or saying that no, he's not a real uncle. And there are so many things of that issue. But what I'm trying to tell you, sir, is the respective district collector, they call both the parties, sit across the table, and then working out, and I'm very sure this 2.5%, which we are yet to get possession of the land, I'm very sure we will be able to resolve this as early as possible, sir.
So in that case, may I know the process of acquiring this land? So do you approach the individual landowner, or do you approach a representative of the landowners, sir?
In fact, it should be the genuine landowners, sir. Be it landowners individually, or be it the representative of the clan, whatever. So because as I said to you, there are few stages as far as land tenure system that we have here in the state.